First, we will see the expression for kinetic energy of rotating body. We know that the translational kinetic energy is half mv square. When a body of mass m moves with uniform angular velocity omega and its position of body from the axis of rotation is r, then linear velocity of that body v is equals to omega into r. So rotational kinetic energy of body is given by kinetic energy is equals to half m r omega square. V is replaced by omega r. By simplifying this equation, we will get the kinetic energy of rotation is equals to half mr square into omega square. But we know that this term is nothing but the moment of inertia. Moment of inertia is nothing but the mass product of its distance from square of its distance from axis of rotation. So replacing this term by I, we will get another equation, that is kinetic energy of rotating body is equals to half I into omega square. So this is the final expression for kinetic energy of rotating body. Next term is rolling motion. Before to understand rolling motion, I need to show a figure. Here we can explain with the help of figure what is mean by rolling motion. When the body, when this body is moving by its center of mass along this straight line, then we can say this is nothing but the pure translation motion, where the center of mass is moving along a straight line. Okay, this body is moving, wholly moving like this. So this is pure translation motion. When the body is rotating, the center of mass remains at its own position, original position, and the remaining particles moves along circumference, then we can call it as rotational motion. When translation motion is there and while translating the body is rotating around its axis of rotation, then we can call it as rolling body or rolling motion. So in rolling motion, we can see both translation as well as rotational motion, where along translation, the center of mass moves along a straight line and the body rotates around its own axis of rotation. So rotation plus translation, this is the mixed motion where translation is also takes place with the rotation motion. So here the rolling motion shows rolling motion. Here the center of mass is moving along this direction and the body is moving like this. So this is the right example of rolling motion, where the center of mass is moving along this direction and the number of particles are moving along at their specific direction. So this is the direction of this particle, this is the direction of this particle, like this. The center of mass is moving and the particles are moving along the circumference of a circle, but about its own axis of rotation. So this is what is mean by rolling motion. So to find the kinetic energy of rolling motion, we need to add the kinetic energy of rotation as well as kinetic energy of translation. So here we can see we have been seeing that the kinetic energy of translation motion is half mv square. The kinetic energy of rotating body is half I omega square. So by adding both the quantities, we are able to find the kinetic energy of rolling body. So this is the expression for that. By interchanging the terms or simplifying the terms, we will get the another equation, because we know that V is equals to R into omega. Replacing it, I is nothing but the product of m and q square. K here is radius of gyration. So replace them by simplifying this equation and again replacing omega is equals to V by R using this expression. So we can conclude the kinetic energy of rolling body is equals to half mv square into bracket r square plus q square divided by r square. It simplified expression gives us half m v square into bracket 1 plus q square by r square. So this is the expression we can use to find the kinetic energy of rolling body. But since the value of k, you maybe know that the value of radius of gyration for each and every body is different. So since the value of k is different for different bodies, er also varies from body to body. The following table shows the values of radius of gyration of different bodies. By replacing the value of k, we are able to find out the expression for kinetic energy of rolling body. So this is the expression where ring or hollow cylinder is that the radius of gyration is r. For the disk or solid sphere, the radius of gyration is r by under root of 2. So by replacing this value, we are able to find out the final expression for kinetic energy of rolling body. Work energy principle is there, which is also related to rotational motion. The work energy principle, who is the rotation of rigid object about a fixed axis. We find that the work done here is W is equals to half I omega 2 square minus half I omega 1 square. And power P is equals to dW by dt. We know this basic expression. So tau into d theta by dt is equals to, this is rate of change of angle is nothing but angular velocity. So tau into angular velocity is nothing but the power of rotating body. So this is all about the kinetic energy of rotating body and rolling motion and its energy. Stay at home, stay safe.